Hello, everyone. Welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. My name is Mr. Singh. Welcome to my channel, and let's talk about Skywater Technology, ticker symbol SKYT. Folks, I have a lot of news to cover on this channel, so do not go, especially on these videos, so do not go anywhere. Stay tuned because we're going to talk on the technical and the fundamental side of this company. Well, one news is we are about 20 days away. 20 days away on the earnings. Folks, earnings is coming up. We know what is in play on this stock, right? Right now, Sconsis has a strong buy based only on 4, right? Love to see more rating coming up, but right now it is a still strong buy. So something to keep an eye. Mark your calendar. This is gonna be a roller coaster. Yes, it'll be up and down throughout the for the Skywater technology before the earnings. You see a lot of movement coming up, and it is going to be up and down. But I am still finishing up my research on the earnings. Looking good so far. I can tell you that it's looking good so far. What I'm looking right now, so I'm very excited. Well, let's talk on the technical side. And another news I want to talk about is what's going on in the certain updates. So today, as you see, my pink line is my 200-day moving average opened up. Went high of $9.06, got rejected, and kind of came through all the way to like $8.83 was the low. Kind of broke through, kind of covered the gap and closed in $8.99. That's what we closed yesterday was $8.98. So not a big, kind of trading on the sideways. It usually happens on the stock when they trade on the earnings, so nothing new on that. We came low off on the 5-day. You can see that we did came yesterday to $8.72. Kind of made some grounds and kind of testing, but trading below and above our moving average. Here's the key. Here's the key that I discussed on my previous video. That what we need to break out is $10.05. $10.05 was a massive resistance where we came close, we did even went all the way to $10.18. You can clearly see over here, but we got rejected time and time, which is sitting at $8.05 cup, right? And right over here is $8.10 got rejected. When we came at $8.08, also got rejected. This one also came at $10. I don't know why I'm saying 10. $10.08, $10.05 and got rejected. Sorry, folks. I'm just excited and pumped about this stock. One good news is we having a crossover, right? So once you have that, you see these green bars are coming, right? RSI is flat, right? So this is a indication of an uptrend, not a confirmation, just an indication for an uptrend. Today the bulls took over. Yesterday the bears took over, and today we did some, a lot of shares were bought in. So some great news. We're gonna look at 3 months, right? We need this kind of run, right? This kind of run where we remember right back in November when we had sitting at where our 60-day was acting as a support throughout the time, got rejected, now became a resistance. But my 60-day, my 200-day, the pink line, magic pink line, my 200-day was acting as a massive support. It is still a support right now, folks. Still a support. Where we go test over here, because we need some gap over here. We need some gap over here. That kind of scares me, but I'm going to be very frank about it. And that's in there. But my 6 months, we do have the gap, and I can see that how much support level it is at $8.50. I have not drawn my support level yet because it is the moving average sitting at $8.50, right? You can clearly see that. Doesn't want to mess up the chart since you guys are watching it. Thank you for watching it. I really appreciate you guys watching it and supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. I am not going anywhere on the Skywater technology. I'm going to be here for long run, so I'm in play, same as you guys, and let's go and win, and let's have gains on this stock. 1 year, quickly, before I talk on another news, where we at is, come back quickly. Sorry, folks, here you go. And we are right over here where we have our 60-day, $8.72. The high is $13. So that's a big gap. From $8, from roughly from $9 to $13 is a big gap sitting over here to cover that, to break through. Will you break through this? It is an uptrend. Right now, everything is showing towards it, but RSI is losing momentum, which I can see is trading flat, and you can see it's sitting over $9, $9.50 throughout the time before we get some momentums before a couple days before the earnings come out. Well, we know about the Indiana operation, and also what we talked about, what they are doing, right? What are this company is doing to survive? I won't say survive, actually, to grow, right? These are the technologies they are working on, right? CMO2, CMOOS, hard rack, MS customs, power management, superconducting, carbon nanotube, and heterogeneous integration, right? We knew about the Minnesota facility, which they are doing the testing phase, right, which was released back in January. Uh, haven't got an update yet, and the indie one they're still working on. Looks like it. Haven't got more updates on the indie. The semiconductor one they were working on. We still haven't got more updates yet, but it's just a matter of time where this is gonna see it. But having a partnership with the government, folks, is no joke, right? There's big contracts are involved on that. Means it's a long-term growth, long-term stability, long-term revenue for this company. So I am excited about this. Folks, I'd love to hear on the comments down below and tell me what is your target price for this stock, right? What is the target price? Because right now the stock analyst is saying it's only $13, but what is your target price? And tell me, I'd love to hear your thoughts behind it. And tell me what you guys are thinking where this stock is going to be. The chart is only the 5-year chart, right? When we know we went to 2021. And the high, it went up all the way to $36.60. Well, could we see this, or could we see breaking out this moving average sitting at 1450 and a high of $18.37? I personally think this stock is around $18, sorry, between $25 to $18 for a year, for this year and moving forward. But I can't predict future, folks. I can only talk about the growth and the technical side. I cannot predict on that. But RSI, like I said, on the 5-year is very flat. 5-year is still having that big momentum up. But the 1-year is something to keep an eye. Something to keep an eye, because we are coming to the very key levels right here. When you have this kind of trend, right up here, right, and start having this up trade here, then go right here, it is some sort of a bull flag going on. So right up here, so I can see right up here, if I can know how to draw my chart, folks. It's very hard on in this platform. I use 2 platforms, but this is what I want to show you guys quickly. Right up here, right? Is it going to be like this trend? Right? This trend is called a bull flag pattern. A bull flag pattern turns and tries sideways and makes that run up. So I'm going to keep it that way. Let's see on my next video if I was right or wrong. But this is what I see that's going to be breaking the $10.05 and making his way to $11.96, then high of $14.80. So on the comment down below, tell me what is your target price. What do you think that we as investors should be key on looking at? I am doing my research on earnings, breakdown on that, and any potential news coming out. I'm heavily invested in this company. I believe in this company. This company has a lot of momentum and a lot of growth down to the road. Based on the technical side, what I see, it is creating some sort of a bull pattern right here, and right here, that looks much better. Looks right here and going to the uptrend. You can Google that on the Yahoo and look for the chart patterns. You might see some confirmation on that. Hey, folks, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. And it's a very small community on the Sky technology, but this is the hidden gem. Hidden gems are always hidden. When they explode, then everybody starts noticing it. So I'm glad that you are part of it. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button so I can continue to do this video. And thank you very much for watching. And stay tuned for this week, another video coming on Skywater Technology. Thank you, folks.